Sometimes the sky feels heavy, doesn't it? Rain pours, winds blow, and everything seems gray. But even on the stormiest days, there is hope. Psalm chapter 46 verse 1 says, "God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble." This means He's with you, even when the weather feels overwhelming. Just as storms pass, hard times will too. Take a deep breath and trust His strength. Even in the rain, there's beauty. The sound, the smell, the life it brings. God is holding you through it all. He will guide you to light after the storm. Better days are waiting, and you are stronger than you know. You're never alone, even in the darkest skies.